This Dewalt Route 2¼ HP 3-base router kit has a powerful motor for routing through tough hardwood at the user's desired speed, comprises fixed, plunge, and D-handle bases, features precise depth adjustments and fast, easy motor pack removal for bit and base changes, quick, secure base and bit changes. The clear, Lexan sub-base offers optimum bit visibility and base durability, and it accepts standard template guide bushings to make application-specific setups easy. Also, a sub-base concentricity gauge is included if you insert this into the collet before bit installation. It will help you center the sub-base relative to bit location when making your cut line off of the side of the base. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Moreover, the sub-base and other included bases are designed to make both base and bit changes easy. Quick-release motor latches allow for fast and easy motor pack removal, while a spindle lock button allows for single wrench bit changes. The fixed base also offers a flat top, so the router can be set upside down for an easy bit and depth changes. Additionally, long, self-releasing, 8-slotted collets provide improved bit retention and prevent bits from jamming. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Built for consistency and durability. Routing applications produce a lot of dust, which can result in extra wear and tear on electronic parts. That's why this system features a dust-sealed switch that protects against dust ingestion for longer tool life. Other components that contribute to the tool's overall consistency and durability include heavy-duty metal housings, precision machined brass bushings, and case-hardened steel guide rods on the plunge base. Number 2. Comfortable operation with integrated dust control. Each base features comfortable rubber over-molded handles and a low center of gravity for improved balance and control and reduced user fatigue. The base also has a patented through-the-column dust collection system. This allows a vacuum to be attached to the router without blocking your line of sight. In addition, this router kit offers you the ability to work with the switch and cord set on either your left or right side. Also contributing to this setup's usability is a detachable core set that can be easily serviced. Number 3. 2¼ HP 12.0 amp electronic variable speed motor of Dewalt router provides the power to route smoothly through the toughest hardwoods. Number 4. Dewalt Plunge router features electronic variable speed with full feedback control for constant speed under load from 8,000 to 24,000 RPM and soft start to reduce startup torque for enhanced control. Number 5. D-handle incorporates trigger switch with lock-on feature. Number 6. Micro-fine depth adjustment ring provides precise depth adjustments in 1/64-inch increments and adjusts vertically for a constant switch cord set location. Number 7. Adjustable tool-free steel motor cam lock makes depth adjustment and base changes quick and solid locking. Number 8. Integral through-the-column dust collection collects 95% of the dust and provides superior bit visibility. Number 9. Quick-release motor latches for fast and easy motor pack removal for bit and base changes. Number 10. A detachable cord set offers cord set serviceability and removes the need for a shorty-inch cord motor pack. Number 11. Precision machined brass bushings and case-hardened steel guide rods provide a smooth and accurate plunge stroke. Number 12. The spindle lock button allows for single wrench bit changes, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.